Hi, I'm Jordan, and I'm going to go through some myths versus facts in roofing. Myth: if my neighbors get a new roof after a storm, I need a new roof as well. Fact: after every storm, every roof is damaged at different capacities because roofs are installed based on age, they have different materials, different workmanship, and hail can actually impact every home differently. So if your neighbors get a new roof, there's a chance you might need one as well, but it's best to have a contractor come out and take a look because you may not actually need a roof as well. But it's important to get an inspection to ensure that. Myth: a roof is literally just shingles. Fact: a roof is actually a roof system, so there are a lot of components that go into a roof besides shingles. You have underlayment, hip and ridge cap, starter shingles, drip edge, accessories. All of these things are important for protecting your home, and it's not just a single layer of shingles. That's why it's so important to install a high quality system and not just a hodgepodge of the cheapest materials on the market, because this can protect your roof, protect your home, and ensure that your investment remains protected. Myth: I have homeowners insurance, so my roof's going to be covered when it gets old. Fact: insurance actually only covers your roof for storm damage, which is hail or wind. It does not cover age. So when your roof gets old and worn out, that's not going to be something that insurance covers. That would be an out-of-pocket expense for a homeowner. Myth: standing seam metal roofs are more expensive than shingle roofs. Fact: standing seam roofs are actually lifelong roof systems, and shingle roofs have to be replaced periodically. So if you're not replacing a roof every 15 to 25 years, if you install a metal roof, it can actually be cheaper in the long run to go with this roof system. Myth: my credit score is bad, so I can't get financing for my roof. Fact: through our financing partner, you can have a cosigner that's not on the deed of your home, so it could be someone that you're related to, which would allow you to get approval based on their credit as well, which would help you get a new roof system. Myth: gutters are just a cosmetic upgrade item. Fact: gutters actually protect the foundation of your home and prevent eroding and cracking, which can prevent really costly foundation repairs. Here in Texas, homes don't always come with gutters. In other states, homes sometimes do come with gutters automatically. So gutters here are less common, but they're very, very important to protect the integrity of your home. Myth: roofing companies are dishonest, fly-by-night roofers, and they have bad reputation. Fact: there are a lot of really amazing roofing companies, especially local companies, that are dedicated to serving their communities, that are here before storms and here after storms to be able to fulfill warranties. It's very important that you check on the reputation of your roofing company before hiring them. We recommend you look at their Google reviews and their online reputation to hear what other clients are saying about their experience using that company. At Good News Roofing, we have over 500 five-star Google reviews, which is a testament to the care that we serve all of our clients day in and day out. But there are plenty of other amazing companies in our area as well. And this is myth versus fact with Good News Roofing.